Welcome to 41230 Bayou Signet in the Pelican Crossing Subdivision. This beautifully well-maintained home is a great place for entertaining family and friends. The large open floor plan painted in a neutral color palette, which lets in lots of natural light in the main living area. The open kitchen features white painted cabinetry, slab granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas cooktop. Off from the kitchen is a large open dining area. Upon entering the master bedroom, you'll notice the crown moldings, recessed lighting, mounted ceiling fan, and also painted in a grey modern colour palette. The Ensuite Master bathroom features double vanity sinks, a large soaking tub, modern fixtures, and a standalone shower. The master closet is abundant in size and has plenty of room for storage. The master closet also has a door that opens conveniently into the laundry area. This house also features a built-in bill desk. And down the hallway is a half bathroom. On the other side of this split floor plan is a room that is currently being used as an office area, with double windows that let in lots of natural light. The third bedroom of this house is painted in a cool grey colour palette and is currently decorated in a whimsical theme. These two rooms share a bathroom which has slab granite countertops and a tub shower combination. The large backyard features a covered patio and lots of extra uncovered patio space as well. And this yard is big enough for anybody considering to put in a swimming pool. And if you have no plans for a pool, you can enjoy the community pool and the common areas. For 41230 Bayou Signet in the Pelican Crossing Subdivision is ready for your private showing today.